Legal dictation, 5 seconds remaining. Start. After making some more sweeping remarks on the present system of criminal law administration, the bench said the following also, full stop, paragraph. Similarly, the principal disease that has infected the criminal justice system in the state is the cheerful manner in which the court is informed that the vital witnesses are hostile. Who is responsible for this is not difficult for the court to infer, the moment the question is asked as to who is the beneficiary, full stop. The investigating agency also owes a duty to ensure that the vital witnesses are present and that they produce the type of evidence which is expected of them, full stop. This aspect of the matter will require very serious attention if at all the state is concerned about rectifying the present state of affairs, which is assuming disastrous proportion, full stop, paragraph. Learned counsel for the state was quite right in contending that it was not the occasion for learned judges of the High Court for giving vent to their general apathy towards the present system of administration of criminal justice, full stop. The direction that the Home Minister and the Home Secretary of the state shall report to the High Court regarding their reaction towards the observations made in the judgment is nothing but an exercise in redundancy, for, their reaction cannot be different from the views expressed by the judges themselves, full stop. How could they be different, as it is unexceptional that the system should improve, full stop. The problems posed by the judges have already engaged the attention of the Law Commission, full stop. On more than one occasion, the Commission has submitted its report for consideration by Parliament, full stop. But putting the blame largely on the police force of the state for all the ills pointed out by the learned judges, without data or material or evidence in this case, is not a course which can meet with our approval, full stop, paragraph. Learned judges pointed out subjects which are unfortunately not connected with this case, full stop. Those are, first, murders committed with impunity, second, the increase in cases involving atrocities against women, third, harassment inflicted on young married women including bride burning, fourth, molestation and rape of girls and young women, full stop. We have already extracted a gist of the facts of this case, full stop. None of the fields to which learned judges pointed their fingers would cover the facts of this case, full stop. Hence, learned judges dealt with subjects which are totally ungermane and far beyond the scope of this case, as though it was presentation of a paper in seminar, full stop. Why should the Home Minister and the Home Secretary react of the observations which are absolutely uncalled for on the facts of the case, full stop, paragraph. Judicial disposition is definitely different from a paper presented for seminar discussion, full stop, nor can it be equated with a dissertation, full stop. Judicial decorum requires that judgments and orders should confine to the facts and legal points involved in the particular cases which judges deal with, full stop. Maybe sometimes judges would, perhaps wittingly or even unwittingly, just outside the contours of the litigation, but even such overlapping should be within bounds of property and sobriety, full stop. but there is no justification for traversing so far beyond the canvas as was done by the High Court in this case, or to cover areas which are grossly extraneous to the subject matter of the case, full stop. If the subordinate courts are also to be tempted and encouraged to follow suit by traveling far outside the scope of the lies, the consequences would be for too many, full stop. Demoralization of departments would badly erode the already impaired efficiency of our forces, full stop. It is time to remind ourselves once again that judgment should confine to the scope of the case, full stop. थैंक यू सो मच. 607 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन थी ये.